Going on? Hey, we're back at it again. We have another fruit that I wanted to try. I've been wanting to try this fruit for a while. I thought it was very unusual. Now, part of the fruit I've had before, but
Ta-da!
this in Brazil is called a cashew.
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 Yes. Mm-hmm.
In America, we call it a cashew. Close. They're close. But at the bottom is a fruit. At the top is a nut. Let me smell.
Yes. See? It's
Wow,
amazing.
it smells good.
Yes.
I've never had one. It smells like. Let me smell it. Yeah, it smells like a plum. It kind of smells like a plum. What do you call plums here?
Plum is ameixa?
Ameixa?
Plum, I think so.
We think it's called ameixa here, but we're gonna try this open. Let's split this puppy open. Let's see what the inside looks like. The outside is soft.
Yes.
How does the top feel?
The top is
Hard, very hard.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a nuts. Became a nuts.
Okay, so we're gonna split it in half and see what the inside looks like.
Ta-da.
I see juice jumping off here. That's
Yes.
always a good sign.
Very. Oh.
Wow. Look at the thing dripping. Wow. Okay.
Wow, it's very water.
Yeah, that's a lot of juice jumping. Wow, look at that.
You have to bite this way.
Just cut me that piece right there.
Yeah. Wow.
See it dripping? Look at that. Okay. I'm a little nervous eating this. So far, Brazil's been letting me down, except for one time.
If it smells good, tastes good.
Yeah,
I believe that.
Brazil, like I said before, you got to do better. All right. So here we go. You know what? Have you had this before?
Only the juice. I never eat the real fruit.
Okay, so
But
she
the
had
juice,
to
yes.
say that part again. You had the what?
What? Sorry.
You had what before?
Yes.
Say it again.
I never eat
Uh-huh.
a fruit.
Uh-huh.
Just drink the juice.
Okay, that's the part I wanted to hear you say again, juice. I'm- Okay, so you're the guinea pig, so guess what?
What?
You go first.
Again?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, let's go.
I heard a mmm. I heard a mmm. What you laughing for?
You can bite.
You can't?
No.
It's tough?
It's not tough. It's soft, but you can. Your
Chewy?
teeth don't get inside.
Okay, so
Go.
let me try it.
You can describe that in English.
It's real tough.
I
Wow.
love it. It's real.
I see why this is a juice. I really do, because it's all over the place. So very soft. Inside texture is very, I'm not gonna say it's tough, but it's
It's not tough, but it's
chewy. Chewy like bubble gum.
fibers
Fibrous. I guess that's a word.
and fibers and water in the middle. I love
It's real tough. Okay. 1 to 10.
10,
Whoa.
100.
That's,
I love it.
you love it. Okay.
How about you?
Okay.
I love it. Let me hide to eat.
Okay, scale of 1 to 10. I give it an 8. Will I go hunting for this
Why?
again?
Yeah. Tell me. Tell to the people you should.
Yeah,
To have-
I will hunt for this again. I will hunt for this again.
I
Okay.
destroyed the fruits.
You destroyed the fruit. She ate it off camera so she doesn't show y'all how greedy she is. I tell you what though, I would get this again and I would juice it and have it cold. It's good.
I'm
So-
impressed.
So yeah, I would hunt for this again. Now, since we're here, I want to try that nut part. Do you have to break it open?
Let me try. I think you have to bake
Bake?
to make dry.
Okay, roast it. Okay, we're gonna be careful with the cutting.
Yes.
If it doesn't cut,
I don't want to hurt my. Doesn't cut.
okay, it doesn't cut, so we're gonna save that for another time. And I'm gonna Google it and I'm gonna see what you're supposed to do with the nut part. You just can't bite it. I'm assuming you can't just bite it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
If you bite it, you probably break your teeth. And nah, that's not cool.
Do you want to try bite?
No, I'm not gonna try to bite that. I don't want to mess up the money maker. Yeah, but yeah. So we're on the way back to the crib. And what?
What? Sorry.
We're gonna chill. We're gonna chill when we get back to the crib. Hey, I'd like to thank everybody for coming with me,
Yes.
your weekend gardener, and at Al McKinney.
Al McKinney.
Al McKinney. We're gonna go up this way because I'm not doing steps.
Too much steps.